The hiring action in HCM. Hi, my name is Marlies Steenkamp and I'm one of the expert consultants here at Paname.com. In this video, you will be learning how to hire a person in HCM Oracle Cloud. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm already logged in as Chris Fetty, my HR specialist. I'm going to come over here and select My Client Groups. Now, as soon as My Client Groups opens up, we can see an extensive list of quick actions on the left-hand side. This is because Chris Fetty is a HR specialist and that is what is assigned and permission to him. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one, hire an employee, right at the top. By selecting that quick action, it's taking me into the newer UI. We have all the UI that you can currently access through the new person application. I'm going to select a couple of boxes that I know I have the info for, and then I'm going to come here at the top and select continue. First up, when and why. Going to quickly complete the hire date, as well as the legal employer, and then the reason. I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Next up, we have the personal details. We will be hiring Dale Stein today. He will be coming into the organization as a buyer. So I'm going to go ahead and complete all of the information that I currently have. The person number will depend on your organization. Now, as soon as we go ahead and select the national ID type, it will expand some more boxes of information that we would need to complete accordingly. I'm going to select social security number and I'm going to go ahead and fill in the national identifiers. I'm happy with all of the information here. I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Next up, we have the communication information. I'm happy with all of the communication information that I've completed, so I'm going to go ahead and select continue again. We then have the address section. Now with the address section, as soon as you start entering the zip code, it will bring up a couple of possibilities from the cloud for you to choose from. I'm happy with all of the information. I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Next up, we have the legislative information. We are not sure if Dale is married, so I'm going to just mark him up as single. Going to select his race and then I'm going to select continue. I'm going to go ahead and select continue as I do not have the citizenship information currently. I'm going to continue on the employment details. Business unit is US1. The job is buyer. The grade that's available and linked to this job is the admin 03 grade, and he will be part of the procurement US department. Dale will be working from home, so I'm going to select yes there. And this is a full-time position. I'm happy with all of the information that I've selected, so I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Calvin Roth will be Dale's line manager, so I'm going to select him in my drop-down box and then I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Dale's I-9 status has not been started yet. Going to select that one and then I'm going to go ahead and select continue. With the salary, you will be guided to choose between a certain range that has been linked to the grade and the job that we are entering. You will not be able to put a value larger than that. Dale's annual amount, just to show you here at the bottom, there's a little bar here indicating the minimum and maximum salary for this specific grade and job. I'm happy with all of the information, so I'm going to come up here at the top to submit Dale's employee application. That is it for this video. Now you know how to hire an employee. Do you have more questions? Want to reach out to me directly? Then select the link below. Would you like to see more actions in action on Oracle Cloud? Then follow my free course on Paname.com. See you in the next one.